Hello everyone, this video is about how to lock or block whichever word you may want to use, but in this case we mean when you lock an application, the moment someone taps it, it will need him or her a pin code to be able to access that application on your phone. So in this video we're gonna show you how to lock or block your applications on your Android phone. So the app we're using is called the App Lock Pro. So if you want to get it, you go to Google Play Store and type in App Lock Pro and you'll be able to access the application. So right now we are within the application. So if you want to lock an application, you just tap the padlock next to it. So once you do it, the application gets locked automatically. So now if you want to unlock it, you go to the locked side and just tap the padlock and automatically that application will be unlocked. That's how you can do lock or unlock the application. So this app, that's how it operates. You can even advance it in a whereby, changing its icon. All the settings are within the application. You can advance it and change the icon. Everything is within this application. If you want the details, you just let me know in the comment section and I give you every detail concerning it, but it's very easy to use. Thank you.